All right, hi everyone. So, in this first module in your general psychology class, we'll be reviewing an introductory chapter that'll kind of introduce you to the various topics that we'll be studying. Psychology is a very broad field, so there's a lot to study. And then chapters 2 and 3 will dive into some of the topics. So it's important to keep in mind that each one of these chapters covers a topic where there's a whole lot of information. So every one of these chapters, whether it be the chapter on social psychology or developmental psychology, there's people with PhDs in all of these fields, meaning they spent, years, if not decades, studying, just that one topic. So this class will have a lot of breadth, and we'll also try to get into some depth as well. But there'll be, a lot of information to cover. So we'll try to highlight just, kind of the most important things for you to know. In chapter 2, in the biopsychology chapter, you'll learn a lot about the brain and the nervous system and how those things function. That's a kind of a very important foundation, is learning those kind of biological aspects of psychology. And then chapter 3 will be on sensation and perception, so learning a lot about kind of how we hear and how we see and how we sense and really all of the senses, and in particular kind of how the brain works, kind of as the brain being the most important thing. We maybe like to think that we see with our eyes and we hear with our ears, but really it's the brain that sort of is the main mechanism here. If there's something goes wrong with your eyes or your ears, we're actually, with technology, being able to develop ways that you can still hear and see. But if there's a problem with your brain, no matter how good your eyes work or how good your ears work, you won't be able to experience those sensations. So really kind of highlights how important our brain is to everything. So therefore kind of how important psychology is to everything. So I hope you enjoy this first module. If there's anything I can do to help, please feel free to let me know. All right, take care. Bye-bye.